We do have a maintenance program here in Technology Services that helps assist the sites in keeping their old technology up and running. Some of the big problems that we see that Fran, Rochy, and I work on are keyboards for laptops. We'll bring those laptops in and with some spare keyboards that we have, try and repair those keyboards and get them back out to the school sites. And then we have a wide variety of parts in the maintenance program that we supply for the schools as well. It's really like a lot of everything that we try to piecemeal either back together or get the sites what they need because we don't have a lot of money. Technology is a precious gift. Not every school district has. Don't do something on your device that you wouldn't do to your device at home. Any way that we can save the district money, it's better for everybody. We have 3 schools that are the Verizon Innovative Learning Schools. Mansfeld was getting 1,100 tablets. Well, at the time school was starting, they had lack of space. So I kind of came up with the idea is let's use some of these old cows that are sitting in disposal. They may not charge devices, but they're great for storage. So I brought all of those cows in. I removed every other shelf to allow 10 iPads on every shelf so that we could then relocate a cart of 400 iPads to the school and then they could wheel them around wherever they needed them to go instead of trying to carry 1,000 boxes. You know, ultimately it comes down for the students and the teachers. You know, so I take pride in being able to fix something and give it back to the school and it not costing them any money. You know, it may cost me some time, but the reward of seeing the teacher smiles on their faces as their technology's working, and you know the principals are happy because the teachers are happy and the kids are happy, you know, because everything's working like it should. So I think, you know, being able to give that back to the schools makes me happy.